Sounds of Botswana.
Moweng FM.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, allow me to welcome you to the first episode of Sounds of Botswana. My name is Uncle Melon, my real name Tlamelon Chahaye, but you stick to Uncle Melon. This is the very first installment of Sounds of BW, and I don't want to keep you occupied for too long up ahead, but for now, let's tune to some good music.
Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM.
The city needed saving, I'm the product. I've been moving through my yaba out of balance. But tell a kilo donna boom Pete, and you still stay down until They tell me I'm an artist, gotta move like that. Got the city whining like Juu Matere. Oh darling, give me love, give me something. See, I've been down bad, I don't seize it. I could never do you wrong, never do you wrong. I could never do you wrong, I never. Bafana banloy, bafana banloy, bafana ba. Oh bafana banloy, I'm a down bad, oh bafana banloy. Oh bafana banzonda, I'm a down bad, oh bafana banzo. Jikelele, oh jige. See I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Below ya gala bile, but it go jikelele, oh jige. I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Jikelele, oh jige. Up and down, get a beat. You talking about a ring on my baby and my bed. Make up and break up to do it all again. Can't pretend it's somebody that don't wanna see us win. I can tell. Word on the street, but the kicks way born. Now they still give me dead packets and I bacon. It's times like these that I count on you the most. So my rock, Dali Wam, you the one, go jailer. See, I could never do you wrong. Never do you wrong. I could never do you wrong. I'll never. Bafana banloy, bafana banloy, bafana ba. Oh bafana banloy, I'm a down bad, oh bafana banloy. Oh bafana banzonda, I'm a down bad, oh bafana banzo. Jikelele, oh jige. See I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Below ya gala bile, but it go jikelele, oh jige. I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Jikelele, oh jige. Oh jigele, oh jige. See I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Below ya gala bile, but it go jigele, oh jige. I've been down bad, I'm CJ. I'm Thelerine, I'm Jikelele. Jikelele, oh jige. Oh jigele, oh jige. See I've been down bad, I'm CJ.
The biggest hits, non-stop.
La pena gaklota Ke kopanele morobanyana gakloka Au shetlanyana lame andruba Ndlela ka mezi bogolo ke no ke tla ikuba Setlhako se bola moradi Batho ba me ga le kopa setlhako se bola moradi Setlhako se bola moradi Ntwana tsa me ka le kopa setlhako se bola moradi A re setlhako go lla sa gagwe ga gona monna yo ba gola mogolo a go phuko go bona o laola ke mosadi Setlhako se bola moradi Batho ba me ka le kopa setlhako se bola moradi Ke pwetse la pena ka klotsa Ke kopanele morobanyana ka tloka Au shetlanyana lame andruba Ndlela ka mezi bogolo ke no ke tla ikuba Yeah She always pull me down Khotlo tsa botshelo ha di frustrat Ha di fihla wa khalla Khandelanyana wa di balla Se bola moradi
Moweng FM.
Hey, my name is Uncle Melon and you're tuned in to Moweng FM. The name of the show is Sounds of Botswana. So what is Sounds of Botswana and what is Moweng FM? Moweng FM is an idea that came to me in 2020 in quarantine, COVID. I don't know what I did at the time, but someone said I had a voice for radio, so I ran with it. Life got in the way and I didn't do it. It died out, lost some equipment along the way. Now I got some equipment back. I got a microphone, I got my mixer, I got my laptop, I got the music. And as for Sounds of Botswana, for a long time I've been feeling like we're not getting exposed to music about Botswana. A lot of the time, and I've heard conversations out there of people complaining, especially for the festival. And for a long time I've been feeling like that's because good quality music mo Botswana. And I created Sounds of Botswana to kind of like argue Kanya thing and prove to myself and to everyone out there no, in actual fact we have beautiful and good and quality high class music from Botswana. So, and to give you literally a simple example, the first 3 songs that I played you right now, I played you Thelerine by Motlha. Beautiful, beautiful song. Before Thelerine, that was Setlhako by Dada KaviNo. And before that, and this one is the one that I was looking forward to the most. The first song was Jikelele by KX Legit. Now, guys, if you haven't come across this guy on your social media, you are living under a rock, because no, digital marketing had this guy on point. Budget speech just the other day. This guy edited image Sunday, I think it's Sunday Standard or one of the newspapers, to add to arts, something like that, and then got a vote KX Legit. I was like, nah, this is really dope right here. That is actually smart. If you didn't know, when I saw it the first time, I actually believed it. This is actually a real thing from like Batho Khang. But no, this guy done edited this thing, made it look like Batho Khang to promote him. And what is he promoting? Ke nominee ya FM Award. Don't remember who nominated for which award exactly. I forgot to check. Or it's in general. Me and my short memory. But he's been nominated for Yarna FM Award, and the amount of marketing he's putting behind that is quite intense, if you ask me. It is genius too. Like very, very smart. Because wow. So check him out. Be sure to check out KX Legit. The song that I played for you was Jikelele. Make sure to check out Dada KaviNo, and I think he has a podcast of his own as well. The song I played, Setlhako. And then make sure to check out Motlha. Yes, Kera Motlha wa the Mamotse banger. The song I played for you right now was Thelerine. So but yeah, the whole point of this show is to go on a journey with you, where we get to discover the beautiful songs and the diverse landscape ya Mino mo Botswana, brought to you by a Motswana, played by Botswana, and to appreciate that good music, appreciate that good music, really enjoy it together. Because if we don't push music wa Botswana, we're always gonna complain, and the more we play Botswana music, the more the artists are rona to continue producing quality music. So that's the whole point behind this show. And yeah, simply put, that is Sounds of Botswana on Moweng FM. I'm your host, Uncle Melon. And without further ado, let's get back to the music.
Let's get back to the music on Moweng FM.
Bakola benki babosa okaye Antoba seta bare Baba isi golo urile Soke kuleta Ke romela moletsa ke yona mpulelele o kae. Pulelele o kae. Send your location. Can you put it on my Instagram? Send your location.
Moweng FM.
Latty. Hello, yummy. Oui, sourire, sourire. Aïe. Jikelele, Ditakile Motlha Lami. Ikari. I swear now I'm all over. I'm down. Ikari. I swear now I'm all over. I'm down. Matohago, I wanna na fela. Kilo ya hago, irada na fela. Yano, palina. Pago tere bashi mañana va torobo.
Santa que rata buena vela. Santa que buena mucho wame. Santa que rata buena vela. Santa que buena mucho wame.
Baby, Santa, so pele mafoco hago Santa, Tabo bediki, Dithuthuntshwane, Dithuthuntshwane.
Nalwena ke batla re gore re tlogele gore tsa batho. Nalwena ke batla re gore re tlogele taba tsa batho. Nalwena ke batla re gore re tlogele gore tsa batho. Nalwena ke batla re gore re tlogele taba tsa batho.
I get ready to ship, but get it to Dithuthuntshwane, yeah. Yeah, que hay cupela. Se huele mafoco a jago morrago, baby. Que hago cool. I'm down on my knees. Begging, though I never thought I would do it. All night you cool, I me come muele. Que cupela, cara, se huele mafoco a jago morrago, baby.
Santa que rata buena vela.
Santa que buena
mucho wame.
baby, Santa que se me lo pongo abajo como rabo, cara. Santa que
buena mucho wame.
Santa que darling. Santa que darling.
to record a podcast? Well, every podcast starts with great sound. Book your session today with Moweng FM, where your voice shines.
The biggest hits, non-stop. Juu Matere, Moweng. Anamo, ya batir kambuti, batore patapata. Asnei patapata, kwamora. Voila. Semi-legendary, the best. DJZ. Tshameke, Dada, Hukunzaye. Tshwarelo.
Same legendary records.
Juu Matere.
Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM.
I am back again. It's your boy Uncle Melon on Moweng FM. You are listening to the sounds of Botswana. I just gave you Juu Matere mfana wa mkhalagadi ornetse Tshameke. And before that, negeliditse pinaga mamkamo ana le names ana le benzito ibidia Bethukile, kabaxokis. And way back hamaragonyana hale before ke la tlhala advert nyana ya gore to record the podcast ko gonna. Yes, you can come record your podcast ko gonna. We need to keep this afloat somehow. You know, revenue nyana gore gongwe move to a studio space, because right now I'm recording this out of my bedroom. You know, revenue nyana can come from those places. But yeah, shameless plug nyana. But before the ad, I gave you Latty, video Dithuthuntshwane. He featured Thato, Tladi, he featured Dalom Kids and K. Beautiful songs. And prior to that, I gave you an Thato Tladi once again, our location. Send your location go WhatsApp, you know what I mean? So basically what I'm trying to do is like be like, hey, music wa Botswana uti. Because I remember one time I was talking with my wife and I thought to myself, what can music wa Botswana okay, like music wa Botswana ole. But no, it's not that music wa Botswana ga o, it's not that music wa Botswana ole. Music wa Botswana uteng, it's just that haru. You know what I mean? Music wa Botswana uteng, it's just that haru. And I don't know, maybe it's my fault because I don't listen to the broadcaster tsa rona tse di leng teng, you know, the national broadcasters. That's the Thelerine FMs, the Vuma FMs, the Gabs FMs, and so on. Maybe it's my fault for not listening to them, so I don't get the opportunity to hear. But back when I used to complain a lot about how re-reditse music wa batho ba SA, re-reditse music wa ma-America wa batswakwa a lot, and that's all that played, you know. So it's easy for us to fall underneath this thing ya gore music wa Botswana ga o. And that's not true, you know. Music wa Botswana o teng and umunti. And the whole point of Sounds of Botswana is to play that music. Now that I'm not much of a talker, you know what I mean? And this is not gonna be a talk show. Though sure, in episodes in the future we're gonna have interviews, but this is a music show. You know, this is a show where I get to enjoy and appreciate Botswana music with you, and you get to join in that experience and enjoy it with me. You know what I mean? So this is a music show. It's not a talk show. Hamburgira moloto wa go tlaona catchphrase here, one of the national broadcasters. I don't want them coming after me. But this is a music show. So what I'm gonna need you to do for me is, one, I need you to comment say songs that you feel like are underrated, you know, and unappreciated. I need you to share with me how some of these songs make you feel. You know, share with me, okay, this is the song that I love this song, and this is how I feel about this song. Or when I first heard this song. And again, strictly BW music, guys. Strictly BW music, because I don't want it to just be me appreciating music wa Botswana. I want to also appreciate the songs that you like, you know. Try to find out what is it that you liked about that particular song, you know. And I also want, this is also an opportunity how diverse the music mo Botswana is and can be. You know what I mean? Because I'm about to play a beautiful song by Sereetsi and the Natives right now. I played like pop nyana at the beginning of the show. A bit of R&B nyana with the Thato Tladi song. It's still a pop song. And then I threw in some piano with Latty song and Yahamam. Now I'm switching it up with a little bit with jazz, you know, with a beautiful song, Sereetsi and the Natives. And I want you to enjoy this song with me. This is a song, it's mafoko a buiwang ke borre when they introduce the women, you know, and borre I mean married men. You know, that's what this song is. It's mafoko ao put into a song. Beautiful song by Sereetsi and the Natives that I'm gonna play right after this ad. Do you want to record a podcast? Well, every podcast starts with great sound. Book your session today with Moweng FM, where your voice shines.
of Botswana.
Moweng FM.
It only goes down just to come up. 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 And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up. And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up. Yeah. It only goes down just to come up. Yeah. It only goes down just to come up. Yeah, they wanna know how I'm doing. I'm doing the most. All that shit I had to conquer, I deserve a toast. All that nights that were dark, together with them worst days. When they was doing the challenge, a nigga had to face it. Hey, walk through the fire, you rather will stay safe. Now how the hell they gonna front like we on the same page? We take a night drive, the weather is so good. Look up at the sky, we gazing the full moon. When we pull up at the club, we switch up the whole mood. Yeah, they tryna mean mug, there's nothing they can't do. Cause we upper echelon, the world is downstairs. Yeah, upper echelon, upper. It only goes down just to come up. And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up. And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up. I'm just seizing the moment, enjoying the vibes, living the life, living the life.
Yeah, you talking to me. Had a couple people say I wore my heart on my sleeve. Maybe that's just how it goes here when you live in a tree. But be careful what you wish for, it ain't all as it seems, yeah. And trust me, it ain't complicated. Couple cuts and bruises just to say we finally made it. Had to do it underrated, but your girl came through and I wasn't ever naked. Wait, this boy said he liked me. This boy said this boy a little frightened. This boy done got indicted. But that's what happens when you in the presence of a queen.
It only goes down just to come up. And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up. And when it goes down, we get the squad up. Pouring up the liquor from the commas. Have a good time, forget the problems. It only goes down just to come up.
Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM. Sounds of Botswana. Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM.
I come back at you after a massive banger. Issa Sisdoh, Vuma Dlozi Lami, featuring Ancestral Rituals. My dog. I feel like the song deserves to be called the Bina Fest TV for last year because God, it's beautiful. But as a quick recap, at the beginning of the show, I gave you Jikelele by KX Legit. Setlhako by Dada KaviNo. Followed that with Thelerine by Motlha. And then I played you Location by Thato Tladi. Followed by Dithuthuntshwane, the remix by Latty featuring Thato Tladi, Dalom Kids and WK. I also played you Mamkamo, Anale Names, Anale Benzito with Bethukile. And played you Tshameke by Juu Matere. And then just now played you Mmabatho by Sereetsi and the Natives. Followed by Sunset by Figgystyles and Priscilla K. And ended that with Vuma Dlozi Lami by Issa Sisdoh and Ancestral Rituals. So I just wanted to demonstrate music good thing, guys. Music is there. And the music is banging and it's popping and it's massive, guys. It is absolutely massive. And I hope that in the short time that I did this show in, you've got to at least have some sort of enjoyment and appreciation for music wa Botswana. Mo Botswana. You know what I mean? I really hope, and I actually hope for how Tswaha, because the show is currently not monetized. I implore you, go and follow them all on social media. Go to Apple Music, go to Spotify, go to YouTube, play their music, guys, because the only way they will okay, Botswana ba re lemoga, Botswana ba rutwa gore re teng, is if we do that, guys. Let's dipina tsa bone, you know, listen to dipina tsa bone, are sharing content on social media and so on. But while we're on the topic of social media, you can find me at Uncle Melon on TikTok, at Uncle Melon on Instagram. You can also find Moweng FM on Instagram, on YouTube, and on what's that place? Instagram and Facebook as well. But I'm sure one of those platforms is where you saw the ad to come and watch this show. So yeah, my name is Uncle Melon. The name of the show is Sounds of Botswana, a show where we enjoy and appreciate Botswana music. The name of the station is Moweng FM, my child, my baby, you know. You know what I mean? But this is Moweng FM. My name is Uncle Melon. This is Sounds of Botswana. Do be sure. Oh yes, this show is gonna be coming to you every Wednesday from this Wednesday onwards, this day that you're listening to this show. Every Wednesday, I'm not sure at what time yet, but when you start seeing the ads and posts about it on social media, just know that it's live. Every Wednesday, I'm gonna bring you more music for us to enjoy and appreciate together. And if you got anything to say, if you wanna send us a text, send us a voice note sharing your thoughts and your opinions and your feelings about whatever that is Botswana music related or Botswana music industry related, you can send all of that to our WhatsApp at 72476896. And if there's any artist out there that would love for me to share and appreciate their music on the show, that's where you can send that music to, or at Moweng FM. Email it to momwengfm@gmail.com or simply soundsbw@gmail.com. Just stick to the momwengfm@gmail.com or send it to this same WhatsApp number 72476896. So yeah, my name is Uncle Melon. I would really love to thank you for taking the time to enjoy this music with me and listen to this music with me. I hope to see you again in the next episode. I hope to hear from you as well in the comments, in the WhatsApp messages, you name it. I hope to hear from you as well. And as for the artists out there, please, but I do want to give special appreciation to Issa Sisdoh. She sent me some of her music. I want to thank Mam Kamo. I want to thank Thato Tladi. I want to thank Dada KaviNo. I want to thank Juu Matere. I want to thank Dada KaviNo for sending me the music. Everyone else, music so that we can share and appreciate it together with the masses. But yeah, my name is Uncle Melon. The name of the show is Sounds of Botswana. This is Moweng FM. Thank you for tuning in. I'm closing up the show with another beautiful banger by Issa Sisdoh. The name of the song came Moya. Ancestral Rituals produced the song. Another beautiful song dominating TikTok and social media in general. So yeah, my name is Uncle Melon. This is Sounds of Botswana on Moweng FM.
The biggest hits non-stop. Moweng FM.
Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM. Let's get back to the music on Moweng FM. Sounds of Botswana.
Maisha ni mawa
Bringing you the best of BW music. This is Moweng FM. Sounds of Botswana.
Moweng FM.